Genesis 1 through 2:3 tells the familiar story of creation in 7 days, ending with humanity's creation. Male and female, he created them. Then, in Genesis 2:4, we encounter another creation story that doesn't quite line up with the first. The order of creation differs, as does the name of God. The first uses Elohim, while the second uses Yahweh. The literary styles are also distinct. Genesis 1 follows the formulaic pattern, and God said, God saw that it was good, and there was evening and there was morning, the blank day. Genesis 2 is a dramatic narrative organized around the chiasm. For centuries, rabbis and Christian scholars proposed explanations for these differences. In this course, we'll focus on the scholarly view that understands the garden as a kind of temple or sanctuary where God walked with humanity. Genesis 2:8 tells us that the Lord God planted a garden in Eden, suggesting Eden is a larger region and the garden is a distinct place within it, watered from a river flowing out of Eden and into the garden. Adam and Eve are placed in this special place to live in God's presence, set apart from the rest of the world. The separation is echoed in Genesis 4, where Cain fears being driven from God's presence. Whoever finds me will kill me. Cain's fear suggests a world beyond the garden, reinforcing the idea that the garden functioned as a sacred sanctuary. Perhaps the mountains are the walls, and in this lush valley the inhabitants are protected from everything Moses experienced in the wilderness. They have plenty of fresh flowing water. They can eat from all the trees in the garden, except one. And there is beauty in the mountains and in the meadows, and some trees are pleasing to the eye and good for food. In this paradise they are safe from wild animals, though there is a stag in this painting. Adam and Eve didn't know death, and they ate a vegetarian diet. This was a place where Adam and Eve walked with God. I have often felt closer to God walking in nature. Perhaps many of you felt that same sense of contemplation and sanctuary in a place like this.